Hello and welcome back to Brain Booster, your go-to channel for all things self-improvement. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that affects almost everyone's car maintenance. Owning a car is a great convenience, but it can also be expensive, especially when it comes to maintenance. However, there are ways to save money on car maintenance without compromising on quality or safety. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 10 tips to help you save money on car maintenance. Tip number 1. Do regular checks. The first and most important tip when it comes to car maintenance is to do regular checks. This means checking your tires, brakes, fluids, and battery at least once a month. By doing this, you can catch any potential problems early on and prevent them from becoming more serious and costly. Regular checks also help to keep your car in good condition, which can help to extend its lifespan and reduce the need for major repairs. Tip number 2. Change your oil regularly. Changing your oil regularly is another essential part of car maintenance that can save you money in the long run. Oil helps to lubricate your engine and keeps it running smoothly, but over time it can become dirty and lose its effectiveness. By changing your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, you can help to prevent engine damage and prolong the life of your car. Tip number 3. Use the right fuel. Using the right fuel is another important factor in car maintenance. Using the wrong fuel can cause damage to your engine and reduce its lifespan. Make sure to check your car's owner manual to see what type of fuel is recommended for your car and stick to it. Using a higher grade of fuel than recommended does not offer any additional benefits and can be a waste of money. Tip number 4. Replace air filters regularly. Air filters play an important role in keeping the air in your car clean and free of pollutants. Over time, air filters can become clogged with dirt and debris, reducing their effectiveness. By replacing your air filters regularly, you can help to improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency, as well as reduce the need for costly repairs down the line. Tip number 5. Don't ignore warning lights. If a warning light comes on in your car, don't ignore it. Warning lights are there to alert you to potential problems with your car, and ignoring them can lead to more serious and costly repairs. As soon as you see a warning light, take your car to a mechanic to have it checked out. It's better to be safe than sorry. Tip number 6. Learn to do simple repairs yourself. While some car repairs require a professional mechanic, there are many simple repairs that you can do yourself. Learning to do some basic repairs, such as changing a tire or replacing a headlight, can save you money on labor costs and help you to become more self-sufficient. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully and use the right tools for the job. Tip number 7. Shop around for parts. When you do need to have your car repaired, don't just go to the first mechanic you find. Shop around and compare prices to find the best deal. You can also save money by buying parts yourself and bringing them to the mechanic to install. Just make sure to buy high-quality parts that are compatible with your car. Tip number 8. Keep your car clean. Keeping your car clean may not seem like an important part of car maintenance, but it can actually help to prevent damage to your car's paint and upholstery. Dirt, dust, and debris can scratch and corrode your car's surfaces, leading to costly repairs down the line. By keeping your car clean, you can help to protect its value and reduce the need for major repairs. Tip number 9. Drive carefully. Driving carefully is another important part of car maintenance that can save you money. Reckless driving can cause damage to your car's tires, brakes, and suspension, as well as increase your risk of accidents. By driving carefully and following the rules of the road, you can help to keep your car in good condition and avoid costly repairs. Tip number 10. Follow your car's maintenance schedule. Finally, make sure to follow your car's maintenance schedule. Your car's owner manual will recommend when to do certain maintenance tasks, such as replacing the timing belt or flushing the coolant. By following this schedule, you can help to prevent major repairs and keep your car in good condition. Those were our top 10 tips for saving money on car maintenance. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember to prioritize car maintenance and take care of your car, and it will take care of you in return. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Brain Booster videos.